The next one is valedictory session, felicitation and award ceremony, which will be given by Mr. Kumar Chandananand, founder, CEO and group editor, Adorcom Media Group. Please come forward, sir.
Hello and good evening, everyone. So now we are towards the end of the session and the most exciting segment of the entire day's session, which is the felicitation ceremony and the award ceremony, for which we have been waiting from day long. The panel sessions which we have witnessed throughout the day was very engaging, and the session topics has been carefully chosen, as in what is the current trend of education is going on. And likewise, we have selected the education leaders and the decision makers of the education community to be a session moderator of this session. Hope you have enjoyed that engaging conversation. And likewise, as I told in the morning, that we have a crystal hall in first floor. So parallelly, there is a roundtable discussions happening just next to this hall upstairs. So two interesting roundtable sessions is actually happening. So few of the speakers are there attending that session. It will take another half an hour to close that session. And the meanwhile, we are just proceeding towards the award ceremony. So Indian educators, academicians, institutions and edtech companies and startups have set an incredible example of excellence in front of the whole world by adopting changes, transforming, reskilling and reinventing. Adorcom Media would like to honor the trendsetters, innovators, education leaders, institutions and organizations that have been providing excellence and outstanding accomplishment in the education sector. Adorcom Media Awards 2024 aims to acknowledge those individuals, educational institutions and edtech companies that have played a key role in transforming the teaching, learning and employability outcomes. The prestigious award will bring recognition and visibility for an institution, organization across the education sector. I thank the selection committee and the jury members who spend their valuable time in evaluation and selection process. I congratulate all the awardees who have nominated themselves or the institutions in the various categories, and with the careful observations of the jury committee and the selection committee, we have selected the winners, and they have been duly informed through a proper communication, and we have sent them the invitation to attend this award ceremony, and I'm sure they are over here, and you truly deserve this award and this recognition, and I appreciate the efforts which you have taken in transforming the education in your own way. So with this, I would now like to again show you the little glimpse of Adorcom Media through a short video. Thank you. Now, for the time which you are waiting for, can we have a video of the award?
And the first category, HE, Higher Education, and the nomination category for Iconic Leadership in Higher Education 2024. And the award goes to Yeah, that's why we are giving a pass. Any guesses? No idea? Let's go with it. Binu Shiva Singh. I request everyone to give a big round of applause for everybody. So, Registrar, Xavier University from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Congratulations. Followed by the same category, Higher Education, and the nomination for Innovation in Higher Education and Skills Enhancement 2024. And the award goes to Jerusalem College of Engineering, Chennai. Do give them a big round of applause for receiving Innovation in Higher Education and Skills Enhancement 2024. The next, Most Promising Medical University 2024. And the award goes to Chettinad Academy of Research and Education from Kelambakam, Tamil Nadu. I think they are not here. And the next, Most Promising Medical Institute 2024. And the award goes to Wales Medical College and Hospital, Manjankaranai Village, Tamil Nadu. And the next nomination category for Outstanding Leadership in Higher Education 2024. And the award goes to Dr. M. Mala, Chairperson, Jerusalem College of Engineering, Chennai. Hold the award, they are not here. In the next nomination category for Excellence in Student Outreach and Industry Engagement 2024, and the award goes to Holy Mary Institute of Technology and Science from Hyderabad, Telangana. The next nomination category for Iconic Leadership in Higher Education 2024, and the award goes to Dr. K. Srinivasan, Director, Sudarshan Group of Institutions, Pudukottai, Tamil Nadu. Category SE, and the nomination category is Outstanding School in Innovative Teaching and Learning Practices 2024, and the award goes to Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Nomination category Outstanding School in Learning Initiative and Skill Development 2024, and the award goes to Samsthi International School, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Nomination category Outstanding Leadership in Higher Education 2024, and the award goes to Dr. N.R. Virgin Inigo, Secretary, Noble College of Arts and Science for Women, Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu. Category Most Promising B School of the Year 2024, and the award goes to Lead College of Management, Palakkad, Kerala. Outstanding School in Innovative Teaching and Learning Practices 2024, and the award goes to Kulapati Dr. S. Balakrishna Joshi Gurukulam CBSE School, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Please give everyone a big round of applause whenever they are receiving the award. category Outstanding Research Scholar of the Year 2024, and the award goes to Dr. J. Yogapriya, D. R&D, Kongunad College of Engineering and Technology, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Secondary School of the Year 2024, and the award goes to St. John's Senior Secondary School and Junior College, Chennai. The next category, CSR Excellence in School Education 2024, and the award goes to Sri Venkateshwara Group of Schools, Ambattur, Tamil Nadu. Outstanding Tech Solution Provider for Education 2024, and the winner is Teachment. Next nomination category, Excellence in Innovative Teaching and Learning Practices 2024, and the winner is Dr. Shalisha A. Stanley, Pro Chancellor, JPR University, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So we have one more left out award for the category Most Promising B School of the Year 2024, and the award goes to Lead College of Management, Palakkad, Kerala. I request all the awardees to come forward to the stage with their awards to take a group photo. Now we start with the felicitation. First I would like to call V. Usha Nandini, Principal, Kulapati Dr. S. Balakrishna Joshi Gurukulam CBSE School, Kaveri Pattinam, Tamil Nadu. Next, I would like to invite Radha Venkateshan, Principal, Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Deepa Devi, Principal, Samsthi International School, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Next, I would like to invite J.R. Murali Nagarajan, Principal, Sri Kumaran Public Secondary School, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Next, I would like to invite Dr. Nalini Wilson, Principal, St. John's Senior Secondary School and Junior College, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Ishwaran, Principal, The Ideal Mount Litra Z School, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Followed by him, I would like to invite Mahalakshmi V, Principal, Spring Mount Public School, Tirupati. B.M. Tangabalan Sana, Principal, Tangamal Vidyalaya, Periyakulam, Tamil Nadu. Next, Maxos, Founder and Principal of MQ International School in Kerala. Dr. P. Suresh Prabhu, Principal of KSR College of Education, Tiruchengodu, Tamil Nadu. Dr. Alex Rajesh G, Principal, Sri Venkateshwara College of Computer Applications. Dr. P. Ishwaramurthy, Principal of Asian College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Followed by her, I would like to invite Dr. V. Vel Murugan, Principal, VSB College of
So with this, we come towards the end of the event today. Congratulations to all the awardees and the felicitation members. You have really showed incredible performance in the diversified education sector which you are, and with that, Adacom Media has taken an effort in recognizing your special contribution and valuable contribution in the field of education sector. You truly deserve this recognition. So, congratulations for the same. And the high resolution pictures of all the awardees in the entire session, it will take a one-day time to get uploaded on the Facebook channel of Adacom Media. So I'm sure that as I have announced in the morning, you have to follow the page Adorcom. It's ARDORCOMM, Adorcom Media. You will find the pages on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. On Facebook, through glimpses, and even on the event page on the website, Adocom website, when you go, there is a Chennai Coimbatore page. In that Coimbatore page, in 2 days' time, we will be uploading all the high resolution pictures in terms of the photograph. So we will be sharing you there. You can download the pictures from there. And video will take some time. Video allow us some time for 4 to 5 days. And again, on the YouTube channel of Adacom Media, we'll be uploading all the session videos in that particular channel. So we hope that you have enjoyed and learned the valuable insights from the interesting and meaningful deliberation. We thank our special guests and eminent speakers, experts and esteemed partners for contributing their valuable time and insightful speech. We are very thankful to all the educators, academicians and teachers representing the school fraternity, the higher education fraternity, the skill and technical education fraternity for your valuable presence today. Keep following the social media handles and for the latest updates and the news in education sector. As I told that we want and we wish to be the media voice of the community, so any good happenings, any recognition which has happened in your institution which you want to share with media, you please be comfortable in sharing those news content with us. All newsworthy content will be placing in the media section, in the press releases section of Adocom Media, and you'll be getting promoted and through the social media also. And I also thank our MC for the day, Harini Priya. You have been a wonderful anchor for the day. Congratulations, Harini. I would like to thank the CEO, Mr. Ashish Jain, our winning team, Ratish, Manjan, Somya, Nipun, Pranali, Zaid, and the entire team of Adocom Media. Without you, the event would not have happened. I would also like to thank our volunteers for the day. Congratulations and thank you, the volunteers of the day. The event execution team under the guidance of Dharminder Ji. Thank you, Dharminder Ji, for helping us execute this event. And your entire team. Thank you, photographers. Thank you, videographers. The team at Console, thank you so much. I also thank the staff of the Hotel Lee Meridian for serving us nice food and good hospitality. With this, I end this session. I formally announce the end of the session. So thank you so much and bye-bye. Take care.
So thank you so much, Kumar sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Even I'm out of box. I have also learned some new things from education side. Hope everyone enjoyed the session for a day. Thank you and take care. Thank you, everyone.
The volunteers, anchor and the team, can I invite you on the stage for a group photograph? All the volunteers moving out, can you invite on the stage? Can we have a group photograph with you all? Zayed, the team at the